The rainy season has just begun and our grass has started to look greener. It's also time to prepare the garden for the new season. So today I'll be harvesting what is left of last season. I will also be clearing some patches which have been here for a while and are no longer productive and get them ready for new planting. The okra has been here for quite some time and most of them are dry. I trimmed it at some point because they were too tall. So I'll be harvesting both the dry and the green ones. And the dry ones I will use for seeds for the next season. When I cut them, I thought they'd die, but instead they produced more fruit, which is really awesome. So I have more okra to eat today. I like to fry them so they don't get slimy. So I try to read and reply to all the comments I get. And from the comments, I learned that you should not pluck the passion fruit from the tree and eat it. You should wait for it to fall. So this time I'm no longer plucking them from the tree. I understand it's poisonous. So today I picked just two. Thanks to the two people who advised me not to eat it directly from the tree. So the cucumbers I planted at the beginning of the year did so well. And cucumbers usually don't go that long. This is the second planting I did and it did so badly. I think because we've not had rain in a long time, so it was struggling to fruit. It didn't have so many flowers. So I'm also clearing this patch so that I can plant something new here. It's always good to rotate your crops so that you don't carry diseases from one generation to the next. So I've just cleared these bits. I'm also going to clear out the okra and plant new ones. These ones are overgrown and I need new ones for the new season. So for everything I uproot from the garden, be it weeds, be it overgrown vegetables, I usually pile them up in the compost. They're going to make manure which we'll use for the vegetables. So the carrots were struggling, but they somehow survived the harsh season. And now I'm going to clear the pumpkin patch. It's no longer productive. We don't have any flowers on it and it's just filling the garden for nothing. And with that, we call it a day. Some harvest, some work done. So I have to travel today. I'm going to Nairobi. I told you guys I'd been invited to be a guest at a radio station. I'm just going to talk about country living, the transition, and how I feel about it. So see you there. So as I say goodbye to my fighting food and my pets, Let me give you a small update on the bougainvillea I propagated the other day. This is my little nursery in the home. So I planted the purple and the orange. So the purple is already growing. You can see new leaves coming up. And they are so healthy. Let's have a look at the orange one. No leaves yet, but there's sign of growth. They're very tiny buds. I guess next week it would be having some leaves. I arrived safely in this crazy city and I'm just about to drive into this traffic right in front of the door. So guys, today is the day I'm being hosted on Radio Ramogi and I've just arrived at the Royal Media offices. I'm just about to go into the studio and I'm really nervous, guys. Wish me luck. I have never been on TV or on radio. I don't know. I feel really nervous. So just wish me well. I am going to give it my best. So I'm here in the lounge waiting to go in, and it's been a while since I wore heels. The wages did it for me. I'm having an awesome time here. The guys here are really funny. They cracked me up throughout. Hi. 20 years FM. So it's been a while since I dealt with traffic lights. I hope I don't cross the traffic lights. I keep forgetting. But in Kenya, you can always get away with stuff like that. So I'm done with the show, guys, and I'm heading to Ngong Road to buy some artifacts. There are some really beautiful things I want that I'm going to use at home. It's really been a while since I dealt with jams. You know, the village is so peaceful. There's no way you'll get a traffic jam in the village. So this is it. Nairobi has really changed. I didn't leave a lot of things here, like this building. I'm seeing a lot of new things. I'm currently at Yaya Center. I'm just about to cross into Ngong Road. I've arrived on Ngong Road, and there are so many beautiful things here for the garden and just home decor. Let me show you. Look at all those beautiful things. So I'm going to look around here to see if I can get the things I want. I've always wanted to capture the birds very close, and it's a very tricky affair. They always fly away. So I've just found these bird feeders. I'm going to put some cereals in them so the birds can come close. Then maybe I can set my camera and have a good shot. So I've got the bird feeder. This is what it looks like. I have so many birds hanging there and I want them to just come close so I can record them do their thing. So this will bring them closer. I'm just going to hang it on a tree. I'm going ahead to pick something else. I think it's somewhere over there. They have some really nice baskets. So that's my next stop. So what I like about this place is you get the baskets custom made for you. I have a few at home, but I don't mind adding more to my stock. So this is how they are woven right here. All sorts of things. Look at how amazing they are. And then you can always bargain. Bargaining is a thing in Kenya. You just don't buy stuff. We bargain until we get the lowest prices. So I have something like this at home, but I don't mind having another one. So that over there is a chair being woven. Looks really nice. So I've also got myself this. I think it's quite cute for harvesting and keeping like fruits or some vegetables. So these are the two things I've bought. I think it's really worth my money. So I bought this for 1,000 Kenya shillings, and this I told you earlier is 600 shillings. So now I'm good to go. I'm back to my brother's apartment and I'm just staring at buildings and cars as I wait to go home tomorrow. See you in the village. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Bye bye.